Hello everybody, and welcome to Martial Arts for Life on YouTube. Tai Chi and Kung Fu that comes to you. Here you will find instructional video as well as my new show, Movement Matters, where I will interview some of the masters of note of the day and share their insights with you in a live setting. I have over 35 years of experience, and it is my mission to share my experience and understanding with you to help improve your health, your happiness, your skill, and your understanding. Whether you're the parent of a young child looking for an activity to improve focus and fitness, or a senior looking to improve mobility and health without causing injury, or somewhere in between, I'm here to help you. I will be posting new content at least 2 days a week, so please hit that subscribe and like button and leave a comment for more free content. Also, check out my playlist as I have them organized in categories like Tai Chi for seniors, advanced adult Kung Fu, and more. I'm really happy that you found this channel and hope you will visit often. If you have any questions or even suggestions, please leave a comment and I will always respond. We must move it to improve it. You can do it and I can help. Have a great one, and I'll see you in class.